Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 1st of October and I am uploading my Halloween makeup looks for the whole month and we'll see how that goes. If you guys are new to this channel, what's up? My name is Eva and this is my channel where I do absolutely anything and everything. Today I tried to do some eye makeup look that is working for me and it isn't working for me. It kind of messed up this eye. That's all Gucci grab into the socks because this look is not going to be focused on the eyes. It's going to be focused on the SFX side, the gore. So it's going to get spooky. If you guys are not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe right now to see more looks. I don't know what that was. But yeah, if you enjoy what I do, then hit that subscribe channel. Subscribe button. I will be meeting Jeffree Star on Wednesday and I cannot wait. It's gonna be exciting. Anyways, this has been a long intro. Let's get into the look because that's what you guys are here for. So yeah. Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose sight. I'm going to be using a lot of Kryolan and Sonara products today. So yes, I'll be telling you what products I'm using as I go and doing the look. So yeah. So today we're going to be doing a dead beauty infected beauty guru. I don't know what the title is going to be yet, but we're going to do that. I'm going to be using Sin Wax for the infected kind of areas, and yeah, I'm just using the one from Kryolan. I'm going to leave every product that I use down below in the description down below if you want to get it. So yeah, I'm going to be using the scraper when I'm doing the wax and when I'm warming the whole thing. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna be using one of these palettes too. I have two of them just in case. One's Inglot, one's Penny's Primark. They're all the same, works the same. So I'm just gonna scrape out some product from here. We're gonna get some good bit because we're gonna be doing a few infected areas. So I just have this much on my palette, and now we're going to activate the alcohol paints, and I'm just gonna spray these two colors, spritz, and we're gonna quickly grab a brush you do not want to destroy. I'm just gonna dip in both of the colors and then put it on the Sin Wax and kind of just dab it on like so. And then just take your scraper or whatever you want to call it and just kind of mix the products together. Your Sin Wax should look something like this. This is just kind of like the clogged blood. We're gonna take up a piece and we're going to start shaping where our infected areas will want to be. So I'm gonna definitely put one here. We're definitely not gonna leave it like that. So just kind of work around how you feel you want this to go. I'm using a mirror, by the way. So just kind of sculpt it out the way you kind of want it. So we're just gonna apply the blood, so what called clogs, like so. So I'm gonna do something like that. Now we're actually gonna go into the actual Sin Wax and we're going to kind of shape this thing. You know, smooth it out and make it look like skin. Usually you would use some like Vaseline to help you sculpt, but I find it way better without it because with the Vaseline it kind of makes it too oily. So we're just gonna start sculpting it, making it look like the skin is like kind of being deep cut and stuff like so. So literally put the Sin Wax just all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect, by the way. It can also be really messy if you want. See, it can be very motherfucking tricky. So that's what we have so far. And I'm just gonna leave it like so, and we're gonna add texture and everything to it now. So yeah, we're also gonna do more of these with somewhere else on the face, but for now we're just gonna leave it flat so there. So I'm gonna go into the activated alcohol paints and use these two colors. This is just for filling in the sin wax around, just to make it look like it's bloody and it's bland and it's stopped. Just mixing the two blood colors together, and that's about it. So now I'm gonna go into my fresh scratch blood. This is my favorite product of all time, and there's some more to use. It's kind of like this kind of gooey blood, and I absolutely love it. We're going to take a brush because I feel like I want to dab it. So I'm gonna take this kind of small brush, as you can see right here, and I'm gonna pick up some product and just kind of dab it in this wound area. It just kind of completely changes the look automatically. I'm gonna leave this one like that. I'm gonna do another one probably on my cheek, maybe another small one on my other cheek, my nose area here, and I'll be right back with you guys. For me, it's gonna take like half an hour. For you guys, it's gonna take a second. So let's rock and roll. So guys, I am back. So this is how much I have done since I went off camera. I'm gonna be adding fake glass. It's basically kind of like these kind of looking things. You cut them up and it looks like glass. I'm gonna add them a bit to my bruised areas. Like I said, I'm gonna link all the stuff I used down below. So I'm just gonna add these like so. Gonna add them one by one. Okay, so this is how we're looking. I'm talking carefully. I'm gonna be using, clean this stuff off. I'm gonna be using eye blood and mouth blood. I think I'm gonna apply the eye blood first. Please be very careful using this. It doesn't damage your eye. It's just gotta be very careful. I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this tricky part because I need to be careful myself. So basically it's just like a dropper like so, and then you can just I made a video about this stuff on my channel actually, and then I'm gonna go in with the mouth blood. I'm just gonna shake it up and just apply some. Hi guys. See, the eye blood is like gone. Ew, this is not tasty. Made a dish. So let's start the mouth. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just put on a wig that has a fringe on it, so you can kind of see the creeping. So if the girl want to be normal, be like, oh. By the way, shout out to Cheyenne for always commenting on my videos and watching them, and I love you for the support. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Skidoodles!